guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday and it has been a busy Saturday morning. You guys know how Saturdays can be in Nigerian homes. Like, it has been a proper busy Saturday morning. But today I'm going to the salon. I need to get my hair braided. I haven't braided my hair since the one I made for my trip to Dubai. I haven't braided my hair since then and I'm itching to braid my hair today. So I'm going over today, but I also have company in the person of Mia Rose because she also needs to get her hair done. She needs to get her hair loosened, washed and remade. So we are going to the salon together. We're not going far, maybe like somewhere around. I think I want to try out the salon where she gets her hair done for braids because my auntie has braided there and her braids were amazing. So I want to go there and try it out. I don't intend to do any complicated braiding hairstyle, just a very simple hairstyle. And yeah, I'm excited. The last 2 days have been really fun and exciting. The last 2 days we've been hanging out with Nello, and also the first day we're together, and then the second day again yesterday because we had to like create content, some dance content for Moms at Brunch and for Soft Life featuring Nello and Sumi. So yeah, that's what we're doing yesterday. And the day before was just like vibes and just enjoyment, a lot of eating and all of that. And then, oh my god, Nello made like the most amazing, most succulent, most delicious goat meat and chicken sauce thing that we had with rice yesterday. Like, it was so flipping good. I was like, yes, I have finally gotten around to tasting that you're cooking, and it was amazing. I don't know what she put inside it, but it was so good, even though she says we are washing her. But Nello, you made that thing. It was so nice. We all enjoyed it. The last couple of days, the last 2 days have been really nice, and we've just had a lot of fun together and all of that before she leaves town back to base. Anyway, let me get going to this salon. I don't intend to spend the whole day at the salon today. Like, I don't really want to do that. So it's almost 12 noon. This is not early, but I need to go. By the way, guys, look at my brows. My brows, you know how it is, faded, and now it's coming back, and this is what my brows are looking like. This one, I think the front is not as pigmented, but you guys can see. Anyway, let me go. The earlier I begin this hair waka, the better for everybody. What? Hey guys. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Sunday, a day after we both went to the salon. Mama, let them see your hair. Come on. So Mia's hair looks like that. I think we did this. What do they call this style? Love come down. Is that not what they call it?
My friends made it beautiful hair.
Really?
My friends like a beautiful hair.
Your friends like beautiful hair.
My friends will not be quiet anymore.
What she's saying. Anyway guys, this is what my own braids are looking like. You guys, these guys did an amazing job. I went to the salon where I usually take Mia to make her hair every 2 weeks, and I just decided to just make my hair there because one of my aunties has braided there before and it was amazing and it was cheap. So I said, you know what, I'm going to make this hairstyle there. Even though I gave them a photo of the style and they still got it. Like, guys, if I tell you guys how much I paid for my hair, you will not believe it. If I tell you how much I paid for this hair, you will not believe it. Of course, the extension was my own from Lush, but I washed my hair and braided my hair for 6,000 naira. 6,000 naira in Abuja. You should know that that's cheap, because if I was going to town or any other salons I usually go to, I'll be paying nothing less than 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. Like, you get. So to wash and braid my hair for 6K yesterday, I'm like, are you sure that I won't be braiding my hair there from now onwards? You're being so sweet. Do you know that? You literally like suck on your face. I don't know why she does that. Is that one an act of love as well or what? Anyway, we are just outside my parents' house. My dad literally called and said, can you please bring my granddaughter for me? I miss her. So we are literally just outside my parents' house right now, and we're gonna spend the evening with them. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh guys, I love my hair. Like, no. Maybe you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, very nice. Like, very nice for the price I paid. Hey God, I'm amazed. In fact, this way. How are you?
Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe
Bafana,
Barry,
how you doing now?
so on the video, don't worry. I'm going to send your video to Alma. I don't know that Alma will suggest it for me.
I know now. I trust you.
Dancing Buddha.
Before uncle, not be you again. Not be you. Not be you.
She wants to go with Grandma. Oh, you want to go with
That she wants to follow grandma to the salon. No?
She goes and
Sleep
then
there.
You want to sleep there? They won't be. She has vacated. She has closed. Finally.
how do we do it?
But I'm going to enroll her in summer school. I don't fish shouts. I mean, it's only Monday to Thursday, 9 to 12. Who has that chewing gum, Mama?
It's Grandma's.
It's for grandma. And you know where to find it in grandma's bag.
It's Grandma's.
You and this is your grandma. Eh? Follow grandma to the salon. Journey that we did not plan. Grandma has this salon that she has refused to leave the salon for more than 20 something years, you guys. My mom still comes to this salon 20 something years. She's still coming here.
Okay, fine, good evening.
Good evening. Long time. How you doing?
hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Can you remember?
Yeah.
At the shopper today,
Somebody saw you.
the one of the ladies from Asokoro, took a video of me when I was doing Buga. And then playing for Kinkata. And then she said to me, I'm going to send the video to Alma.
Of course.
And then I said to her, hey, Alma will just look at my phone.
Yeah, now your way.
Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh.
Fine gray hair. It's only Uncle Sam that gets this your hairstyle, Sha. There is nowhere else you've gone to that you've never gotten this your hairstyle, mommy. Yeah, there's just two of them.
I don't love you anymore. I love grandma.
You don't love grandma.
I love grandma.
My granddaughter loves grandma.
Nah, she does not love me anymore. She loves only her grandma. Wow, the bob is really bobbing. The bob is bobbing. That's why you still come to Uncle Sam's salon after all these years.
Yeah.
No, it's more than 20 years now.
I started following Uncle Sam from when he was in Asokoro.
Good now.
When he was
20 something years of coming to this salon. Hey, now wow. Yeah, Rose, we could have back. Also, I have a surprise for you.
That she has a surprise for you. Come on, mommy.
Come on, mommy. So you guys that always want to know the secret of Momsy's gray hair. This is every Sunday salon visitor.
That's Uncle Sam.
Yeah.
Uncle Sam's salon.
Yeah.
And that's
20 something years of coming here, you guys. So the same hand. Same hand for 20 something years.
Same hand.
This woman, I mean, hold.
I might consider following him to Ghana when he decides
to go back to Ghana. Oh my God. The classic bob.
Guys, let them see Uncle Sam's face.
It's Uncle Samo. It's Uncle Samo.
Grandma Mia's Uncle Sam.
That is
And the Neka's face.
Yeah, I've shown her
Because
face.
when the Neka is not around, when Uncle Sam is not around, it's a Neka.
Wow. The bob is bobbing, man, guys. Look at that.
I don't know. I can't imagine myself.
Your hair is so healthy.
I can't imagine my hair with another style.
It has to be this style. This style or nothing.
Or nothing.
No, I should show your hair too. Oh, you guys see Mia's hair too. She made her hair yesterday. So beautiful. Just like grandma's own. So nice.
Actually, suffer.
See the back now. Hey, the bob is bobbing. Hey, when will my hair not be like this, God? God, when? Never say never.
Hurt your feelings not that long ago.
So I just got the most thoughtful gifts, the most lovely, most thoughtful gifts from a brand called Green Thumb by Hawa. And this is a lovely gift. You guys know I'm a sucker for plants. Like, I'm obsessed with plants, and this is quite a big plant. I'm not even sure where I'm going to display this, whether in my kitchen or something. I'm not even sure because this plant is big, and this is a very nice ceramic pot. Like, this is actual ceramic. It's so nice, and it has weight, like, or more. This is such a thoughtful gift. So pretty. Look at that. This is like the houseplant care guide and all of that. I don't recall the last time I got a plant gift because I'm super obsessed with plants. And I love this so much. I'm just thinking about where I'm going to put this. But I'm sure whatever I decide is going to look extra good. Thank you so much to Green Thumb by Hawa. I love this. What did you say?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, make that tea for me. Make that tea for me.
What thing? What thing? I've told you the names 100 million times and you still cannot get the name of that thing. Yes. What thing? Yes. What thing? What? What?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one? This one? I'm teasing this girl. She's getting very upset. This one. This one. Let me see the face that wants it. And I told you before that that's called what? What is this called? I told you before, Mama. Mama. What is this called? I told you the name like 5 minutes ago. What is this called? Frosties. Frosties. Nah, Frosties. How about this? Is usually like your nightcap, either Cocoa Pops or Frosties. And now you want to take Frosties by 6 p.m. So that's just why you want Frosties. Because of this tiger. Okwamaka, this tiger, is it? You guys know what is funny about these frosties? I actually bought these frosties for myself, right? Because she has Cocoa Pops, she has Cerelac Junior, she has Golden Mon, you know, she has a lot of cereal. So I bought this one for myself because I actually do like frosties. But since I bought these frosties, Mia has not allowed these frosties to rest, you guys, and I don't like giving it to her often because you guys know, if you're familiar with frosties, like it's sugar coated flakes, so it's got sugar on it. I don't give her sugar. Like, I just make her cereal for her with just her regular pick 1, 2, 3 because it has a sweet taste and everything. I don't give her sugar. So I feel like this is me giving her this frosties is sugary, but Mia Rose will not agree. If I tell her not to take now, she will not go agree. She will cry this entire house down, you know. Anyway, I'm not giving you too much, It's a new thing now. Very soon she will lose interest in Cocoa Pops and all her other series. She'll be wanting only frosties. You see? You say you see? Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. So it is Thursday evening. Yeah, Thursday evening, and I'm just heading out because I need to go to the car wash. Inside my car is filthy. Okay, it's very filthy, and my security guy wants to be begged every time to wash inside cars. He only likes to wash outside, and washing inside is always plenty work. So if I always have to remind you, I just like to do things myself. So I need to go to the car wash now so that I can get inside this car washed. Obviously I'm going to wash both inside and outside. Basically from there I'll probably go to Chicken Republic and run 1 or 2 errands and then get back home. I just dropped Mia Rose off at my parents' place because her cousins are around. Anyway, let me get going to the car wash. This is the kind of changing mind I'm feel like.
I say, I'm telling you, like I love so much. Eh? So no, there's one. Yeah, Makaranta. So no.
You see, Makaranta.
Not be like somebody from Nasarawa.
But she's going in Nasarawa now.
Hey, see the excitement of when this is. That's where the water is.
Why are you so excited? Because of Nico. Nice. I thought I bought more for people in this house. This thing is not a mop now. Eh? Why is the mop I bought for people now? Which thing come out? This stick.
That I have is it 2 course or 3 course?
2 course meal now.
I said 2 course meal, okra and eba.
You had okra and eba. Now you're having ice cream. This one is dessert.
There will be riot. Okra and eba plus ice cream.
Plus ice cream, mommy. Wow.
Wow. Okra.
Eba and okra. Then ice cream. Wow, mom.
Oh my God, what kind of coffee? And it's Zam's ice cream.
That's even the funny part. It's your grandchild's ice cream that you shack like this. Look at
the grandma.
Finish my ice cream. Yeah, she will ask you.
Finish my ice cream. Grandma. All the children. You go to the belly. Give them. Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Let me see you. Let me see you. Go no.
Let me. Why you thought you be shouting let me everywhere?
See you
The next day.
Are you a student? Say yes. Hey, you're a student. I'm supposed to give you homework. You guys, look who we have here. Look at who we have here, guys. This one that we see her very seasonally.
I saw you made.
Shut up. Yeah, when the maid that you saw me was not in Asaba when we went to marry very big mom.
Now I've been walking. Don't want me to walk. You don't want me to walk there.
The maid that I saw you wasn't a pleasant. It was not a pleasant holiday now.
But I still saw you, Sha.
What else?
What about Wendy? I've not seen since January. Wendy and
since January, you've not seen them. How far now?
I'm good.
How is Lagos?
Lagos is
But then again, you know the thing, you are in Abuja because you are doing something. Maybe you are going somewhere. You're not in Abuja because you want to see our faces.
Have you seen the cost of flight tickets?
Hey.
I don't think you've seen it. If you've seen it, you understand why I've not come. One way ticket is 70,000.
Hi.
So to go and come 140, you've not added Uber to the airport to and fro.
Lord of God.
So that means if you want to travel, you have to budget 200k just for transportation.
What the heck? So guys, Melba is in Abuja because she's on her way to where tomorrow? Botswana. Oh, you guys, I've not been to any other African country that is not Nigeria. Like, do you know that, Melba? I've not been to any other African country. Actually, we've only been in Nigeria and then travel out of the continent. It's going for official, but it's still official now. Official training or something. Now if you're a content creator, now I'll tell you, please vlog for us. But you're not a content creator. You don't care about stuff like.
Your nails are nice.
They are even old. I want to go and refill them. It's the one I made before my birthday. Mia Rose, you've seen your auntie. This one even slept here, guys. She spends the night here with her grandma, my auntie's kids. Like, she literally spends the night here. She refused to go back home with me yesterday.
Say hi to your mommy's camera.
Hello my darlings, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my very next video very, very soon. All right, bye.
Let's drink up, your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on like that Marvin Gaye.